Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short guide video of 1 2 step, I'm going to show you the quick process of logging into your Kohl's credit card account. If you have the credit card of Kohl's and if you're trying to log into your account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right in. Search for Kohl's credit card login on the search bar of your web browser and you can see the first result from credit.kohls.com. Click on this first link and you'll be directed to the login section. To log into your credit card account, you need to first type in the username of your account and in the second box type in the password. This is not going to be the same detail of your Kohls.com account. The credit card details and the credentials are different. So type in the username first of all and type in the password as well. And now you can click on login, and if the details that you enter are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your Kohl's credit card account. So that was the short video of logging into your credit card account of Kohl's. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.